What is it?
Sadie, Daddy, open it up. Daddy, let us see.
Hold on.
Sadie, you want to open it up, kiddo?
You want to open it? Whoa.
Yeah.
Pull it. Pull.
What's that?
It's a dollhouse!
What do you think of that?
Yay! You got a party?
What do you think?
Got stairs?
What do you think, Sadie?
Stairs? How do you like that, Sadie? Oh, isn't that fun?
What do you think of that, Sadie Lou?
Hey, Sadie. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah. It's Daddy.
And look, it's got a car too.
It's a garage.
Look, Sadie. Look, it's got a car.
Patio furniture on top of the garage.
And the garage door goes down and up.
And people can go in the car and out. Say, we have another
Yeah.
birthday present here.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
What do you think?
Ellie, is that one from you?
Yeah.
Yes, that one's from me.
Hey, Sadie.